Welcome back to the channel, guys. OJ Marketing. If you're not familiar with CPA marketing, CPA marketing is a cool kind of marketing platform or marketing strategy that is kind of similar to affiliate marketing, but in affiliate marketing you need to direct people to purchase a product, but that's not the case in CPA marketing. In CPA marketing, you're required to just simply convince people to do some simple tasks, maybe by signing up to a website, downloading an application, submitting their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey, and you're gonna get some cool affiliate commission for directing people to do so. And you can get cool CPA marketing offers from platforms like Max Bounty that you can see on the screen, CPA Lead, or even Offer Vault right now. Now, if you're actually looking for CPA marketing offers, all you need to do right now is to come onto this section that says Offers. Now, while on this section, guys, you can actually see a lot of offers right here you can easily go on to taking advantage of. You can actually filter based on the kind of offers you actually do want. You can see that there are a lot of networks right now. Maybe if you do go into selecting a network, if I actually scrolling through, I see an offer I like. I'm just going to select the offer right now. That's if I'm using Offer Vote. If I just select that, you can see, guys, this is actually the name of the offer, which is a dash cam right now, and you can see much more details about the offer. It has a payout of $50 right now. You can see that it's actually, you can go on to reviewing the preview page or the landing page of this particular platform. You can see the category of the offer. It's an e-commerce, retail, or survival offer. And for the platform Smart App right now, you can also see the last updated date and the countries that this is actually available to. You can also go on to checking out much more details about the offer in this section. But take note of this, guys, that if you actually do get a successful lead to the offer, you're going to get paid about $50 right now per person that completes this offer right now. So all you need to do is to go on to getting access to the offer to get a unique affiliate link that you could use to promote the offer. Now, you can get affiliate link by going on to clicking on Run Offer. It's going to take you to the ad network that this offer is available to, which is the Smart App, and you can just simply go on to registering for the platform, get the offer, and go on to promoting that. But I'm going to just simply be utilizing offers from platforms like CPA Grape right now. If I just simply go on to logging into my account right now, you can log into yours, but it is quite easy to create an account. Click on register and create an account right now. So take a look at this, guys. I'm logged into my account, and you want to come onto a page that looks similar to this. Now, to get to this page, just simply click on the offer tool option, select the drop down list that will be shown to you, select my offers, and be brought to this particular section. Now, you can filter your offers based on country or demographic. I'm utilizing the United States demographic to get offers available in such country. You can filter the offer based on payouts by clicking on payouts, and it's going to show you from the highest paying offer to the lowest paying ones. Now, I usually prefer selecting a sweepstake offer, which is kind of like a giveaway offer, and this is an example of one right now, as the offer actually gives out about $4,500 worth of cash towards my leads. So, guys, here are more details of the offer that you need to just simply promote the offer to the people in the United States. It's a $4,500 giveaway offer, and the people actually need to utilize an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code, while just simply utilizing my unique affiliate link to get onto the platform. And I'm just going to get paid about $1.02 for every single person that completes that using my unique affiliate link. So you just need to go on to promoting this to this category of person that fits into this category, and for each person that completes the offer, you're going to get paid a cool affiliate commission, as you can see on the screen. So what you need to do right now is just simply to copy the link to the offer, and it is quite necessary you go on to creating a simple landing page. Now, you could easily create landing pages on platforms like GetResponse, the Breezy Cloud, Systemy.io, Google Sites, and there are lots of platforms out there that you can just simply create a simple landing page on. Now, if you want to create a landing page, I have some tutorial videos on my channel that teaches you how to do just that. Just simply head on to my channel, OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and just simply go on to typing in landing page. If you do click on landing page or type in landing page and click on enter, it's going to load up and show you some cool videos I created that easily shows you how to create simple landing page. You can check out this one right now. This one is with the Google site, this is with Systemy.io, this is with Webflow, this is with Breezy Cloud, and if you do keep on scrolling, you'll be able to see much more cool videos. So check out those videos, as they could actually be helpful to you right now. So once you've actually created a simple and cool landing page, as landing pages help us to increase the conversion rate of our offer, the next thing which you want to do is to go on to promoting such offers on platforms like this platform right here called the truesweepstakes.com. This is an amazing platform which you want to leverage to drive cool and amazing traffic to your CPA offers. As you can see, this is a platform that they usually go on to giving out offers for actually free or sweepstake offers right now. So you want to list yours among one of these. As you can see right now, a lot of people are listing some cool sweepstake offer. This one right here is for $100 worth of paper. These are about $250 worth of cash giveaway. So to list yours among this, you want to select the country that this is actually available to, and you can actually just see this section which says submit right now. You can actually go on to submitting one, but before you submit, guys, you can just simply go on to joining the platform to create an account. But I'm just gonna log into my account because I actually already have an account. Now once logged in, guys, you just need to go on to submitting a giveaway offer or to add a sweepstake. By clicking on submit right now, you can easily go on to adding a sweepstake just by following these details right now. You just need to add a sweepstake title. Here in this section right now, you need to go on to inserting the link to that CPA marketing offer or the link to your landing page. As you can see, that has been inserted. Now for the sweepstake title, you may want to just simply use the exact same title for the offer in CPA group right now. Copy the title, head back to that particular section and just simply paste that in this section right here. So once you do that, for the price value, guys, you're actually going to go on to put in the price value that you're actually going to be earning. Maybe you could put in something like since that is about $2,500, I'm just going to put in that exact same amount. So you can actually select the category of the offer right now. You can actually just see a lot of categories ranging from vacations, sports, pets, games. Maybe I'm going to select the miscellaneous right now. So you can also go on to selecting the date you want this offer to actually start running. I can select a date right now, and this is actually the end date. Maybe I'm going to select 31st of this month. I can actually select the country which I want to drive traffic to this offer, and that's actually the United States because I'm promoting United States offers. Now you can also go on to selecting an age limit right now. Maybe I'm going to select from 13 plus, or let me say 18 plus, and you want to select the entry method. If they want to utilize any of the platform, maybe you can actually go on to selecting as many as you can right now. I actually do prefer all these entry methods because I'm trying as much as possible to get a lot of traffic to my offers. Now you can also check out the entry limit right now. Maybe I'm going to select single entry so that one person cannot go on to completing the offer many times. You want to select the company name, and maybe I'm just going to put in my channel name. So once you do all this right now, you can also go on to giving this a very cool description and also insert an image that fits in this particular ad you intend on running. And once you're done, scroll down to the bottom and submit your sweepstake for absolutely free. So this is an easy strategy to get cool and amazing targeted traffic to your CPA offers and start making a lot of money online. So if you're looking for other strategies, check out my channel right here, OJ Marketing, and you'll be able to see a lot of cool videos that could actually help you boost your income online. You could also go on to subscribing to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.